Welcome to our behind the scenes video of Rali Ceredigion, where we'll show you behind the scenes in service, the stages, and all of myself and William's thoughts.
I predict it's going to be a mixed weekend with the weather, so it's important that we get the right tyre call. We're limited to the amount of tyres that we can use this weekend, so as soon as we put some tyres on the car, they're used out of our allocation. So it's really important that we get the call right, so we're going to be following the weather forecast before the start of the rally to try and make that as accurate as possible.
Prediction for the weekend, tough to call at the moment. Very, very competitive field, but it's my home event, so I want to do as well as possible. A podium would be phenomenal, but let's see how it goes. There's a lot of corners to go around before you can make a decision on that. Shakedown was okay. The first round of free practice we went with pretty much a full dry setup, which wasn't great because the road was pretty damp. It was dry all the way out until about a K before the stage, and it had rained, I think, just before we got there, so it was fully damp. We were on a medium tyre with a hard setup, so we just drove slowly through, came back here, made the changes, and then went again. So I think it cost us maybe a little bit for free practice because we only got one run of practice really on the setup we were going to use for the quali stage, but yeah, I think our road position is still okay, so yeah, it shouldn't be as important as what it was last year because the organisers have a lot of anti-cutting devices to stop mud being dragged onto the road, so it should be fine.
What's your favourite biscuit?
Oh, McVitie's chocolate digestive, without fail, by a mile as well. I could live off it. I think that his favourite sports drink is a complete waste of time. Because mixing Red Bull with water is, I think it was your dad actually. He said that Colin McRae used to do it.
Really?
Yes, because I asked him.
Y top mount wedi torri. Ble mae'r clip yn mynd mewn i'r top mount. I dal ar ôl joint mewn. Digon o lip ride ala.
Wel, dwi'n siarad o'n hwnna hwnna'n cael smash o'n ôl andrew ddo.
Na,
Yn y lawr, it goes down. It's well done. Yeah, open it. Hello, Michelle.
Thanks, guys.
All Welsh crew of Meirion and Dale Furness in their Toyota GR Yaris Rally2. Yesterday you thought this rally was all over, but it isn't, and it wasn't, was it?
No, I guess I could say I beat the rally in the end. Yesterday was pretty airy. We were quite lucky to get away with it.
Ladies and gentlemen, do we want him to come back and keep trying?
Yeah, I'll come back.
Well done, congratulations.